Hello everyone. So in this video, we will see one VS Code extension. This will help you a lot if you are a hardcore developer. So let's go to the extension, click on extension, right black box, hit enter. You will get this extension, install it and all done. Now let's see how we can use it. So to search for any statement, firstly you need to put two slashes. Now write a statement for which you need a code. Let's suppose I need a code for to connect MongoDB in Node.js thing. So simply write code to connect MongoDB in Node.js. At last you need to put a question mark and just wait for 1 to 2 seconds. You will get the whole code. See, this code comes, press tab, you will access this code. For more video, subscribe the Coders Way, like this video and share with your friend.